what I have here today and what I found on AliExpress. And take a look. What is it? It's an app control scrolling advertising LED sign, LED eyes, maybe for using for truck, car, whatever you want. USB custom text pattern programmable display. And it starts from $21 depend on which model you will get. We have 16 by 32 pixels, 16 by 64 pixels, even longer. We have this big one, 348 millimeters long, and the monster is 595 millimeters long. It's a long display. And take a look for what you can use it. Maybe for your truck to display some eyes, angry eyes. I don't know. All the links will be in description below, so you can check it. And I have ordered, I think, this one, the smallest one, 16 by 32 pixels. I waited, and of course I got it. Does the bubbles included in the price? No! Why? Whoa! I have already opened it. What it says? 16 by 32 pixels. Good. What it says? LED matrix panel. Let's see. Okay. What we have here? The remote control. Okay. Also we have the instruction manual. I need to read this. And this is both sides self-adhesive tape. Okay. A very long, from this side, Type-C connector. This one is USB-A, male. It says that it needs 5 volts, 2 amperes with a switch, which is nice. Okay. More. Let's see the unit. And I forgot to tell you. And it's flexible. Take a look. Oh, this is 16 by 32 pixels. And it's flexible panel. Oh, I get it. So that's why you get a self-adhesive tape, so you can attach it on your screen, maybe of your car or truck. Okay, let's unwrap the cable and see how long it is. So the cable is long 4.5 meters. That is pretty much. The Type-C connector is 90 degrees, which is super nice. And powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh, take a look at this iPixel LED. Wow. And I will remove the protector now. Beautiful. Such an amazing product. And I like it because it's flexible. Wow. And let me see what it says in description. I will show you all the effects, but just to read in description what it says. Suitable for multiple scenarios. The LED matrix is widely used in shops, hotels, bars, restaurants. Okay. Install the cable layout. Yes, it's a 4.5 meters long, and using the app you can choose different effects. Take a look. Beautiful, beautiful. The LED matrix uses 2021 full color RGB LEDs, bright and colorful lights. Smart app control. Yes, you can download the app from the App Store, also for the iOS and for the Android. Okay. Ooh, take a look how cute animations are there. We're gonna check that. Stay tuned. Alright. So in the instruction manual there is a QR code that you need to scan and download the app, as I said, for iOS and for Android, and the app is called iPixel Color. Beautiful. But also you in the package you will get a remote control just like this one. Let's try it. Power on or power off, sorry. Oh, LED. Just to remove this for now. And not to forget, also in the package you will get this two-side self-adhesive tape, so you can attach it to some surface. Remember that. Okay. And let's do the first one. I am in a hurry. Make way for me. Thanks. Thank you. LED. Wow. I need to kill the lights. And take a look. It's pretty cool. And let's choose another one. Bro. Angry faces. Whoa. Turn off your highlights or high beam. Beautiful. And let's try something else. Oh, a warning sign. Take a look. A smiley face. And what is this? Have a loan married if you rear. And what does it mean? Please wait. Take a look. Pull over. Want a parking space. Play cute. Different effects that you can choose using only the remote control. You don't need an app, just the remote control, which is super nice. And it's a silicone, that's why it's a flexible, and it's a transparent. You can see the electronics, the integrated chips. Let's see that using my portable microscope. And here it is, the main integrated chip, but it's blank. No numbers, no letters on that. Oh, but also we have these points. Key PB7 TX RX. Okay. I love this transparent silicone material. Ooh. I have downloaded the app, and when you turn on the Bluetooth and make the connection to the LED panel, take a look. It flashes as a connected sign, which is beautiful. And here it is, the app. And I'm connected. Take a look at this. I love bubbles. And also you can control the effect. You can adjust the brightness, the speed. You can choose different color patterns. Take a look. A custom text you want. Awesome. So many functions in the app. Take a look. It have a clock. You can choose whatever clock you want, design and effect and color. Take a look. But right now the clock is not, it's correct. It's 11 and 17 minutes. Wow. What does it have else? Oh, it have a rhythm. You can play a song or use the microphone. Take a look. It have a spectrum analyzer with different patterns. Wow. Beautiful. It have a DIY animation. You can make your own animation remote control, a picture to text, a gallery, a program list. Wow, just wow. Also, all the effects that are on the remote control you have on the app. Take a look. You can choose whatever effect you want. Also, it have a DIY picture, so you can draw whatever you want and using whatever color you want. Take a look. Okay, red, yellow, blue. Isn't that nice? And you can erase circles. And if you go to the gallery, there are a lot of digital eyes like this, but for that you need two of these, or the other model which is a little bit longer. And take a look, isn't that nice? One eye, hotspot. Whoa! Take a look at this. A drive. Here are hundreds of effects. Beautiful. Also for Halloween effects. Let's do the lion. This thing or this product is awesome, and if you want to check it, visit the link in description below, and you can choose different sizes. The price is not cheap. It starts from $20 and it's going up. Wow, I am amazed. What a beautiful product. I'm very glad that I found this on AliExpress. Okay, so many functions. A lot of emojis. Take a look. Oh, very nice. I love it. I can't believe there are so many effects on this product. This thing will be on my bench for sure. Okay. Oh, I found even more effects and animation. Take a look. It have a neon cat. Yes, here it is. Beautiful. Okay. I hope you liked today's presentation of this flexible LED matrix that I found on AliExpress, and I like it pretty much. Love it. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Beautiful. Wow.